So guys, welcome to RIO classes everybody. How are you doing? ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆರಾಮದಿರಿ? तो बच्चों बताओ कैसे हैं आप लोग? All are good. Okay. First, I request you to please like the video, and those who are watching from the YouTube, please I request you to share, and those who are watching in the app, RIO Academy app ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, please ಲಗು ಬಂದು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ. बच्चों जल्दी से आ जाओ, join आ जाओ, and you can ask all your doubts now. All right, my dear student. So if you have any doubt, you can raise your question here. Uh, you can just ignore, ask your doubts. Comment box will open there. So let's start. Guys, here we have one question. ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ. Doubts ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. You can ask all your doubts. So guys, we are solving some of the important previous question papers that you may get this for your upcoming exams. Here is the first question. बच्चों यहाँ पर आपका first question है. Let's solve this. And anything if you have, कुछ भी doubt है तो बताइए. ठीक है? हाँ जी आसमा, you can ask your doubts. All doubts you can ask now. ठीक है? Okay, here is the question number 1. From the following particulars of Udyog. ठीक है? Udyog Limited. Prepare the cost sheet. Very simple. Prepare the cost sheet. Direct material they have given. Okay. Direct wages is there. Direct expenses we have बच्चों. Factory overhead we have. Okay. Factory overhead 50% of direct wages. All right. 50% of direct wages. And administrative overhead is 10% of work cost. कितना बच्चों? Administrative overhead 10% of work cost. Selling overhead 5 per unit. कितना आसान देखो. Very easy it is, right? Very easy. Selling overhead is 5 per unit. Unit produced and sold. बच्चों unit produced and sold. That is how many? 10,000 rupees. ठीक है जी? 10,000 units they have produced and sold. चलो. What we should do now? We have to prepare cost sheet. Chalo guys, let's start without wasting time. Let's start now. Here it is. If you have anything, you can ask. You can comment box is open. You can ask all your doubts. बच्चों कुछ भी है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं यहाँ पर. ठीक है जी? Doubt in the kid pa हैदराबाद बैठ रहे नाश्ता को बैठ रहे. We are streaming on YouTube also and RIO Academy. Both ಎರಡು ದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. चलो. ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. लिखो बच्चों ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ पा. Cost sheet. 5 marks के you will get this question my dear student. 5 marks को कुछ ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा आपके लिए. Right? Cost sheet showing cost per unit. What this is? Cost sheet showing cost per unit. इधर ले. Cost sheet showing cost per unit. Let's do this now. This was the previous question paper my dear student. होद वर्ष केड़ी तो क्वेश्चन में से गए सब पूछा ऐसा क्वेश्चन है बच्चों, नया कुछ नहीं है. Something which is very easy and we have discussed lot of problem on this, right? If you are watching from YouTube, I want you to please like and share with your friends. Ask them to join the live classes. If you are watching in RIO Academy, guys, raise your hand. Raise your hand, ask your doubts. This is your cost per unit. बच्चों, this is your amount. ठीक है? And here we have particulars. चलो, let's solve this now. What is the first? direct material, how much we have? 5 lakh. Okay, so see, unit produce how much? 10,000 units. You just write it here, right? One to units 10,000. You can say 10,000 units. Okay, perfect. First, what we take? We take direct material. Direct material. Direct material. How much direct material we have? 5 lakh. ठीक है बच्चों, कितना है जी? 5 लाख है. कॉस्ट पर यूनिट कितना था? व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट पर यूनिट? 5 लाख divided by 10,000, that comes 50. ओके बेटा, डेफिनेटली चरण, डेफिनेटली हम लोग क्लासेस ले रहे हैं, दैट इज फॉर पेड स्टूडेंट. I mean, just take down my WhatsApp number 720-431-0030. This is my number. WhatsApp me. I'll let you know exactly how to join the membership. Yes, we are conducting second PUC science, computer science on daily basis. All right, Charan. Okay, Muskan is joined. Rihan is joined. Amir, Asma. Guys, please raise your hand. Raise your hand, I said. Uh, you can ask all your doubts now. Okay? You can ask all your doubts. आप कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है जी. डाउट कुछ भी है आपके लिए? Okay, tell me, ask your doubts. Okay, chalo, let's start now. Direct wages. How much direct wages we have? 3 lakh. 3 lakh is direct wages. Note down, my dear student. Direct wages is 3 lakh. Now, what is the cost per unit? 3 lakh divided by 10,000. है ना? कितना आएगा बच्चों? How much is that? 30 rupees per unit. So, बच्चों, when we add this, whenever we are going to add this, that is 8 lakh, right? 8 lakh. कितना आएगा जी? 8 lakh. And it is 80. बच्चों, ये हो जाएगा आपका प्राइम कॉस्ट. What it is? Prime cost. Understood? Yes or no? Understood? So, oh my god, we have one more expenses. One second. Okay, we have one more expenses, that is direct expenses. That I need to add it here. 1 second. We have one more direct expenses. According to classification, we should add all the direct expenses directly, right? Direct expenses. How much direct expenses, बच्चों? Direct expenses is 2 lakh. All right. Direct expenses is 2 lakh. 2 lakh. 2 lakh divided by 10,000. एक्स्ट्रा करते हैं. 2 lakh divided by 10,000. 2 lakh divided by 10,000. How much? 20. Guys, add multiple. Now we have all. We have taken all, right? Direct material ಆಯ್ತು, direct wages is done, direct expenses is also done. Factory and all we'll take it later on. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? How much is that? ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10 lakh rupees. This is your prime cost. Okay, this is your 100. 100 is your prime cost per unit. Next is what, my dear student? Next क्या आएगा? बताओ जल्दी से. Tell me first. Factory overhead. बच्चों आप लोग हैं या नहीं? यू कैन आस्क योर डाउट माय डियर स्टूडेंट। मुस्कान, रिहान, आमिर, आसमा, जो भी डाउट है पूछो मेरे को। डाउट ಏನಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು। चलो 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 चलो। So guys, this is the question you will get for 5 marks. What it says, factory overhead 50% of direct wages. Factory overhead, what this says, 50% of direct wages. 50% of direct wages. How much direct wages we have? We have, see here, bachcho, here we have 3 lakh rupees is the direct wages, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? 3 lakh is the direct wages. 50% of this will be 3 lakh multiplied by 50%. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? That comes 1,50,000. Okay? ಹಿಡಿದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Just have a look here. Factory overhead 50% of direct wages. So direct wages is how much बच्चों? 3 lakh. 3 lakh का 50% कितना हो जाएगा? 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 divided by 10,000 कितना होगा जी? How much it is? Here it is 15. Okay? चलो perfect. So guys, add up this now. 11,50,000 115. ठीक है जी? So बच्चों, this is your work cost. ये ना कहते हैं work cost. All right? Understood? Yes or no? So guys, done. Factory is done. Next is what? Administrative overhead. 10% of work cost. Okay? Note down, my dear student. Administrative overhead. These are the previous year questions. Remember? Okay, administrative overhead ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು? Look at that. 10%. 10% of what? 10% of work cost. They said, right? Works cost. How much work cost? 11,50,000 into 10%. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That comes 1,15,000 divided by how much units, guys? Divided by 10,000 units. 1,15,000 divided by 10,000 units. कितना होगा जी? 11.5. 11.5. Add this now. 11,50,000 plus 1,15,000. That comes 12,65,000. So it is 1 to 6.5. Bachcho, this is your cost of production. ठीक है? Cost of production. चलो, next administrative overhead is done. Selling overhead, the gain several about, right? 5 per unit. Okay, note down. Selling overhead is, बच्चों जल्दी से लिखिए, टाइम हो रहा है. Selling and distribution overhead. What they given? Selling overhead 5 per unit. They said 5 per unit. How many units they have sold? How many units they have sold? They have sold 10,000 units. 10,000 units means one second, 5 multiplied by 10,000. 5 multiplied by 10,000. That comes 50,000. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Understood? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು? How much it is? Add up this 13 lakh 15,000. Okay, 50,000 divided by 10,000. 13,150. So guys, this is your cost of sale. What it is? Cost of sales. Understood? Any doubts? Doubt है क्या? Yes, you are right. 11.5. Now, just have a look here. How many units they have sold? Units produced and sold 150 per unit, 10,000. So guys, they are very simple. Sales is 150. Okay, sales is 150. 150 into 10,000. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? कितना होगा बच्चों? 150 into 10,000. That comes 15 lakh, right? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? 15 lakh ಇದೆ. So बच्चों, tell me what is your profit? Very simple. 13 lakh 15,000 minus 15 lakh. That comes 1,85,000 is your profit. 1,85,000 profit. And cost per unit. So 150 minus 131.5. 18.5. Understood, guys? Understood? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Can you solve the next? So this was a question they have asked in 2015. Okay, 2015 को पूछा था, देखो बच्चों इसमें. चलो next. Let's solve. Here we have one more question. That question asked in the year 2017. Profit 18 19 illo 18.5 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Profit is 18.5. So बच्चों, यहां पर और एक क्वेश्चन है आपका 2017. We have one more question, that is 2017. चलो next solve this now. Let's solve this now. 5 marks. यहाँ पर देखिए, what they're asking us to find out prime cost, prepare prime cost, work cost, cost of production, profit and sale. ठीक है? चलो बच्चों, let's solve this. Let's solve this. 5 marks one guarantee ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ and 15 marks also we have. So most probably today we'll solve all the 5 marks question, and in the next class I'll solve 15 marks. What do you say? Is that fine, my dear student? No doubt? Chalo, perfect. Those who are watching in the YouTube, please like. Those who are having, RIO Academy के लिए यार इधर ही, you can ask all your doubts. आप बात भी कर सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं. माताड़ी doubts like केड़ बहुत उनके. I'm here for you. Amir, where is Daroga? चलो बच्चों, cost sheet. cost sheet. Okay, what is that? Okay guys, cost sheet of Shri Putturaj company. Material consume how much? Material consume कितना है? How much we have? 31,50,000. Note down my dear student. Very simple question we have. Since we don't need to find out any kind of cost per unit, simple they said prime cost, work cost, and cost of production. Let's solve. Very simple question. First is what? First we have material consume. How much material consume? 31,50,000. ठीक है जी? चलो 31,50,000. ठीक है? All everything they are given. Everything they are given. Look at that. Next, direct wages. We should add this, right? Direct wages. How much direct wages we have? What is the direct wages we have? Tell me guys. Direct wages 24,30,000. 24,30,000. Somebody has a doubt, it seems. Let's see what kind of doubt they have. Any doubts? No doubt. Chalo. Guys, add this. Add this now. How much? 31,50,000 plus 24,30,000. 55,80,000. So this is your prime cost. समझ में आया? अर्थ आ गए? नेक्स्ट क्या है बच्चों इसमें? Works overhead expenses 7,29,000. So bachcho, let's solve this. Works overhead expenses. Write down here. You can say factory overhead. Bachcho, write it here. Works overhead. At least wait तो करो था accept करने तक. If you have any doubt, definitely I can answer, but please wait. Wait for 2 minutes. 7,29,000. ठीक है जी? 7,29,000. कितना हो गया? How much is that? Plus 7,29,000. कितना होगा बच्चों? 63,09,000. So बच्चों, this is your work cost. ठीक है? This is your work cost. Next is what? They given administrative overhead, है ना? Simple problems, very simple. 5,04,720. What is that? Administrative overhead. समझ में आया ना बच्चों? I know that for you guys it's very damn easy now because you have solved many questions on this. So that is why offline classes तो करते थे भी यार ला बेकन बड़े पा 5,04,720. 5,04,720. $68,13,720. This is your cost of production. cost of production. Next comes what? Selling and distribution overhead. Do you have any selling and distribution here? Tell me. No, nothing. नहीं है ना बच्चों, just add, कुछ भी नहीं है ना इसमें. 68 lakh 13,720. So बच्चों, this is your cost of sales, है ना? This is your cost of sales. ನೋಡಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋರಿಗೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ 1000 rupees ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ 5th ಸೆಮ್. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಪೇಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಂದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ, all right, and if you are staying outside Dharwad, definitely guys, I welcome all to you RIO Academy ಗೆ ಬರ್ರಿ, join ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 7204310030. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ನಂಬರ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ, just ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ 10% on ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೆ. This is right. See, they are not given on the selling price. Profit ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? प्रॉफिट 10% ऑन कॉस्ट ಇದೆ. दैट मीन्स कॉस्ट के ऊपर है ना, ये टेंशन नहीं है. प्रॉफिट 10% on cost means we have cost here. What is the cost? 68 lakh 13,720 multiply by 10%. कितना होगा बच्चों? That is your 6,81,372. Add this my dear student. 7,74,95,000, right? 92 आगे. So बच्चों, this is your sale. Easy, right? Understood? Understood? Please respond. If you understood, please respond my dear student. Okay, chalo. This is done. This is also done. Next we have, let's see which question we have. We are solving previous 2018 question paper. Those who are watching on the YouTube, please mention that. Okay, prepare cost and show the profit. Look at that. Here we have one more question, my dear student. Nadripa solve ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕವರಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ those who are watching online, guys, please welcome to the RIO classes. Paid classes, complete course ಗೆ. For complete course it is 1000 rupees for BCom 5th semester. BCom 5th semester ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್, RTP, ರಿವೈಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ. ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್, 1000 rupees for complete course. Please WhatsApp me. ನಂಬರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದಟ್, ರೈಟ್? 7204310030. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಔಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚಲೋ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಚಲೋ ಚಲೋ ಚಲೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, Rupa and company produce a product. Okay, from the following data, prepare statement of cost and showing profit. Guys, they given here raw material, fine. Direct wages we have. Machine hour work, how many? 1,800. Machine hour rate 60. Administrative overhead, how much? 20% of work cost. Selling cost is 6 per unit. Unit produced 30,000, unit sold 28,000. So that is the amount we have. Cost sheet. Okay, cost sheet. of Rupa and Company. Bacho, if you have any doubt, please ask. I'm here to answer all your doubts. Anything you want. In with the head read, definitely I'm here to answer all your doubts. And I will be sending this to in WhatsApp group in the solve in WhatsApp group. प्लीज डाउनलोड ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ सॉल्व ಮಾಡ್ರಿ और बच्चों देखो जो भी लोग अब ऑफलाइन क्लासेस के लिए आ रहे हैं ना आई वांट दिस शुड बी देयर इन योर कॉपी बुक ओके particulars amount and amount okay next first what is it raw material consumed raw material consumed how much 1,80,000 you can write it directly outer column I don't have any issues note it down here 1,80,000 direct wages 1,000 direct wages 1,08,000 ठीक है गाइस ठीक है I'll send that all ठीक है machine hour work 1,800 okay now what we can do is that first you add this prime cost कितना होगा बच्चों बताओ 1,80,000 plus 1,08,000 कितना आएगा जी इस बार बता दो 2,88,000 2,88,000 that's fine next is what you got the prime cost now next my dear student factory overhead so bachcho factory overhead what this says machine hour work just have a look here machine hour work how much 1,800 machine hour rate 60 परवागेला machine hour 1,600 what is the rate हाँ जी तबस्सुम rate is 1,800 sorry 1,800 into multiply by 60 कितना आएगा 1,800 into 60 that comes 1,08,000 add this बच्चों 2,88,000 plus 1,08,000 कितना आएगा 3,96,000 so this is your work cost understood that's fine this is done administrative overhead 20% on work cost no problem just copy paste like same हरे problem इधर जैसा problem था ना वैसा ही है बच्चों administrative overhead what this is 20% on work cost 20% on works cost work cost is how much 3,96,000 ಹೌದಲ್ಲ into 20% ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 79,200 add ಮಾಡಿ 3,96,000 is worth 4,75,200 बच्चों this is your cost of production right Yes or no? Understood? Any doubts? No doubts? Chalo, 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 chalo. Next we have selling and distribution overhead. Selling and distribution overhead. So guys, what this is, selling cost. Selling cost is how much? Selling cost is 6 per unit. Remember. Okay. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. In this, we have one more item, my dear student. They said there is a closing stock of finished goods. No delay. Till here, understood? Tell me first, yes or no? Understood? Till here, you understood? बच्चों यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? Okay, now see how many units they have produced. 30,000 units they have produced. Okay, fine. 30,000 units they have produced. ठीक है जी. अब out of this, how many they have sold? 28,000. So बच्चों 30,000, 28,000 means closing stock is how much? 2,000. Closing stock is 2,000. So बच्चों what we should do is that minus, right? What? Closing stock of finished goods. Closing stock of finished goods. So guys, how many stocks? See, they have produced 30,000. They sold 28,000, right? कितना होगा जी? 2,000. So guys, very simple. So value should be something like this. 4,75,200 we have spent, right? 4,75,200 we have spent. For how many units? 30,000 units. How much for 2,000? Divide by 30,000 into 2,000. That comes 31,680. अर्थ आगे दे, समझ में आया बच्चों? देखो यहां पर ये जो वैल्यू है ना आपके पास, दिस वैल्यू इज फॉर 30,000 units. They are not given closing stock of finished goods, but they are given the units sold. Now minus it. Minus. Okay, that comes 4,43,520. बच्चों this is your cost of goods sold. All right, perfect. If you're watching in the YouTube, please I request share with your friends, ask them to join the live classes that we conduct on the YouTube every day. And if you're watching on the RIO Academy application, please mention all your questions. Always I'm ready to answer all your doubts, guys. And YouTube, yes, you can ask your doubts on the comment box. Selling and distribution overhead. So what is that? What is that? Just have a look. Selling cost 6 per unit. Okay, selling cost 6 per unit. All right, how much they have sold? 28,000. So take it, 6 per unit, 28,000 into 6, 28,000 into 6, that comes 1,68,000. All right guys, all right. But you add this. So this is your selling and distribution, right? So 4,35,020 plus 1,68,000. सर फर्स्ट पीयूसी कॉमर्स क्लास सर कब लेते हैं? हाँ थे रेगुलर इसके बाद में 4,43,520 plus 1,68,000, 6,11,520. ठीक है बच्चों, सो दिस इज योर कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल. ठीक है, कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल. सो बच्चों हियर वी हैव सेल्स. Sales they given, right? 50 per unit. How much? 50 per unit only. You can write it here. 28,000 into 50. That comes 14 lakh. Minus 6,11,520. So बच्चों your profit is 7,88,480. So this is your profit. Understood? Any doubt? No doubt? बच्चों बताओ. डाउट नहीं है? Okay, perfect. Next question is here. Okay, this is the last question of today's class because after this I want to solve 15 marks. We have one more here. Okay, let's solve this. Sakib, tomorrow we have class beta in the morning. So guys, we'll do one thing. These two questions we'll solve tomorrow. Because time bhi ho gaya na abhi. Tell me, you want me to solve right now or can we solve this tomorrow? Tell me first. अभी solve करूँगा कल solve करूँ इसको? Guys, respond fast. You want me to solve right now? No response. I'll do one thing. I'll send you the homework. Okay? You just do it and reply me back. Alright, bachcho. Chalo guys, bye-bye. I'll see you in the next class. Those who are watching on the YouTube, please like, share and subscribe. And RIO Academy, please comment if you have anything to let me know. अभी नहीं काम करते हैं इसको. You can do it homework, right? PMS Company Limited produce how many 1,000 units of commodity for the year ended 31st March 2019. The cost details are as follows. 80,000 direct wages, chargeable expenses, work on cost 100% of direct wages. Simple है, ठीक है? These are very simple guys. मैं दो क्वेश्चन में आपको होमवर्क देता हूँ, ठीक है? I'll give 2 questions homework. If you are not able to solve, definitely I love to do it. Don't worry. मैं करूँगा इसको. I will solve this, but इसको होमवर्क करेंगे. Anyway, tomorrow morning you are coming to the class, right? So please come with these solutions. ठीक है? Because almost 25 problems we have solved, I guess. Till now, cost accounting पे हमने कितने किया है? 25 तो किया ना अभी problems. ठीक है बच्चों, तो दिस टू आर होमवर्क, आई वांट इट टुमारो मॉर्निंग। ओके बच्चों, चलो बाय बाय, आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास।